YouTube and all my babies. It's your girl, Rich Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell your mama and them, because we lady over here. And y'all, I'm at my work desk. So yeah, that's where you see the famous flowers. But in today's video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the book bag. So honestly, I decided to pick two winners. So I'm going to be giving away two of the Palm Spring mini book bags. So for our first winner, we have Positive Vibes 619. Once again, that's positive_vibes 619 for our first winner. And then our second winner, we have Rosalind Green 3397. Once again, that's Rosalind Green 3397. What's happening? What's up? So yeah, both of you have won, and I want to say thank you for everyone for participating. Y'all, we still got one more left, which is the nail stuff, which is going to be two lucky winners. So you still have a chance to win something. We don't have no sore losers here. Everybody, hope you can congratulate our two family members for winning. And hopefully, if y'all can send me y'all mailing information by Tuesday, I can get it shipped out by Wednesday, because your girl is back in school, so it's a little hectic. So yeah, I'm gonna put my email address somewhere right here on the screen, and just make sure you send me where you would like to have your book bag shipped to. So once again, we have positive_vibes 619 and our other family member, Rosalind Green 3397. Congratulations to you both. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See ya on the next one. Bye.